Hello friends, today I am discuss about most important question for B.Ed exam. If you do B.Ed anywhere like Bihar, Haryana, UP, MP and any another state, then it is most important for exam point of view. So you can prepare it without wasting of time. So let's start. Question is, what is culture? Describe the role of culture in knowing. Yeah, what do you mean by culture? Explain the role of culture in knowledge construction. Okay? Answer. Culture. Culture refers to the core beliefs and customs of a particular group of people, and it can be observed in many aspects of their lives, such as their language, food, clothing, religious ceremonies, symbols, and history. In many cases, culture is associated with family origins, race, ethnicity, and geographic location. But culture can also be gained by choosing to identify with a specific group. Culture is a learned way of behavior that is transmitted from generation to generation. Moreover, it is shared by a group and historically accumulates over a period. Okay? Now we will discuss about role of culture in knowing knowledge construction. Okay? In the conceptual area, the relationship is characterized by reciprocity and knowledge defines culture and culture defines knowledge. ये दोनों क्या है? कल्चर और नॉलेज, ये दोनों आपस में क्या है? रेसिप्रोकल है. ओके. सेकेंड, कल्चर इन्फ्लुएंसेस द एप्रिसिएशन ऑफ process such as knowledge sharing, development of retention. This type of relationship between culture and knowledge gets most attention in the knowledge management literature. Next, culture influences the way knowledge process develop in the organization. This relationship is different in that it concerns which form her knowledge process take and not whether or not they come about. Culture guides the interaction between people. Culture influences vertical knowledge sharing, either knowledge sharing in the hierarchy. Okay. Next point is the degree of knowledge sharing depends on culture. In masculine individualistic culture, the importance of knowledge sharing is less automatically recognized. Culture influences the contents of the knowledge sharing process. In an informal network organization, knowledge sharing develops substantively different than in an organization with a formal and closed culture. Knowledge sharing can be more difficult between groups in an organization with clearly distinguished cultures than in organizations that have a strong and uniform culture. Okay, next, culture is an element of the organizational context in which knowledge sharing takes place. This context stipulates how and when knowledge is shared. This fourth relationship concerns an indirect relationship between culture and the knowledge sharing process. Culture, example, plays a role in defining the acceptability of a specific organization structure, which in turn influences knowledge sharing. Next point is culture play an important role in the management model an organization embraces. In other words, culture affect the acceptance of actively managing knowledge process by other stakeholders than the knowledge workers themselves. Okay. Next point is culture guides the way an organization implements its management given an existing management model. In other words, culture stipulates the focus and style of management, well as actual selection and interpretation of intervention aimed at influencing how individual and group deal with issues of knowledge. It also stipulates the chance of success of actually specifying and taking management measure. Example, culture contributes to defining which interpretation of an intranet will effectively promote knowledge sharing. Okay. So thank you friends. Hope you will learn something new. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe please.